I just bought this new dog bed, and Jim is going to open it up here and bring it out of the packaging. It comes in this nice, convenient little small size, so once you open it, it just kind of opens up and puffs up. So Dolly comes in and she's like, I don't know about this. But Sophie is 13 years old and has seen some things. So she knows exactly what she's going to do with that bed. This is one of the FURTIME orthopedic style bed in medium size, and the first thing I notice is the shape. It has those raised sides all the way around, so it gives that little head and neck pillow moment for dogs naturally to lean into. And just watch Sophie. She doesn't even hesitate. She steps right into it, sits her little hiney down, and settles in like she pays the mortgage. The inside has a soft, supportive feel. It's not flat and it's not stiff. It has that cozy, cushioned sink into and exhale like kind of comfort. The top is that plush faux fur texture, so it feels warm and calming, especially for lounging and naps. Sophie really loves that. And because real life happens, well, the cover just zips off and you can machine wash it, which is a non-negotiable in our house. Also, little detail, but important, the bottom is anti-slip, so it stays put on the kitchen floor instead of sliding around when they step into it. Dolly's still deciding, but Sophie is already giving her full tutorial. Consistency is my standard, and Sophie agrees. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission, it never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.